Hey, my name is Matan Michael, and this is a video testimonial for Awais Khalid. He was the lead designer on the website that I just launched. We were so happy with him. So I'm going to do a quick dive just to show you everything that he did for us and the process he went through to get our website up and running. Okay, let's dive into the work that Awais did for us. This is our website. We just launched it. We think Awais did a fantastic job designing it. A lot of complex images and animations. This was custom built on Figma. Everything was done by Awais. He did such a wonderful job. So I really just wanted to make this video to show his work off and make sure that he gets the recognition he deserves. I'll just dive through the website very quickly just to show you what it's like and everything he designed for us. And let's dive into the Figma file. This is the finished design. We also have a working area with all of the pages and the rough draft versions and everything we were commenting on. So you can just see it was a very long process, a lot of details to actually get the design the way we wanted it to be. And then this is the initial concept page that we use to create comments and give them an idea of what we were looking for. So wonderful job, very detailed, very thorough, even helping our developer with instructions on how to use the Figma file and how to create it on WordPress. And then this is version 2 that we're working on for future pages on the website that will have a waste complete the designs for. So for anybody looking for an amazing Figma designer for your website, mobile app, or SaaS software, Awais Khalid is the right man for the job. We really had such a good time working with him on this website. He's in such a good mood always ready to work, always ready to help. And we've actually used him on previous projects for some of our SaaS as well. So we've been with this contractor for a long time now and we'll continue using him for all of our design needs. Again, I highly recommend you speak with Awais Khalid for all of your Figma design needs.
Hey everybody, this is Nelson, and I wanted to take some time to give one of the incredible designers I work with, Awais, some feedback and some comments. So this is Awais, and we met here on Upwork, but we've continued working for a long time since. This is November of last year. We're already towards the end of 2025, but just wanted to say that Owais has been actually pretty incredible, really talented. This is right now I'm sharing some of the work that we've done together. Not going to zoom in to see the details, but basically, I requested a very clear project with some example screenshots. He remade them from scratch using Google Material Design. I basically shared with him the template of what we wanted, the elements to use, and he used them very well. Everything is very structured. This is basically a different flow that he built using the Material UI components. And one thing you'll notice is that everything is very well structured. So he really understands Figma in and out, basically like how he uses frames, how he groups things, and it's just very easy to edit and to provide feedback. He's also very communicative, so when he basically has questions or feedback, he'll ask, which is one of the things that I really look for when I'm working with a contractor. Um, and generally just very friendly, very responsive. Make sure to check in on you because sometimes he's waiting on me to provide the feedback. So yeah, generally incredible, very great work. Wise, highly recommend to anybody else. We did this is that I'm showing you is just mobile app designs, but we also worked on desktop websites, mobile websites, and a few other things. Yeah. So once again, this is over here for a Wise, um, and hopefully this is great. Hopefully this helps you. Have a great day.